welcome back, or welcome. My name's Kylie, aka Kai Quinn. Cue my intro video. Welcome back. So today is January 3rd, 2023. Happy New Year. We're in the new year. It's officially been a little over a month since we started working on the car. On my way to Tyler's per usual to continue doing so. And yeah, it's raining per usual. Are we surprised? Not really. I'm not going to tell you what today entails because I always do and always end up doing something different. We're gonna wing it today. Follow along.
Interior back together?
Yes, game plan is repainting the dash, putting it back together, and some sanding of the bay.
There's your head gasket. Uh-oh, one hose is still on. But there's your little pistons. Like this is a Chevy piston.
This should tell you guys how small my hands actually are too. So I went to AutoZone and got some paint to start doing my dash. My car is locked. So I'm gonna do that and then head out there real quick. But then I am going to put the dash back in after it dries and then we'll go from there. Just took off all my stickers, ripped to an era, but I'm gonna scuff a little bit and then respray the parts that need to be sprayed. But first, I'm gonna tape off my vents and all the little wires. They're just laying around.
They been snoozing, I've been cruising, ain't no losing off these runs. VVS is bruising, diamonds hit just like a bun. Beggars can't be choosers, so she give me what I want. She be talking crazy, want my baby, I'm like, what? Remember she was frontin', now she busted when I want. In my zone like 2-3, but I ball like one-on-one. She say that she love me, she fucking up my...
So I'm almost done sanding everything. The glove box is the only thing giving me a problem. And yeah. Okay, here's it so far. I'm definitely going to probably buy a new one because the first time I did this, I really messed up with this drip. So I don't know. I don't even think as much sanding is going to fix that. We will see. So the glove box needs to dry before I end up redoing it. Same with the dash. Dash is somewhat sprayed. There is some spots I need to redo, so I'm gonna do that once it dries. Right now we are pulling some things out of the engine bay to start shaving it and sanding and painting. So to get some of the plugs out of the engine bay, we have to jack the car up, and I'm not gonna lie, none of us have the motivation to do that right now. So we're gonna continue this on Friday, which is not even 3 days away, so we will be back. I definitely might have lied. Today is Sunday. I'm almost at Tyler's. I'm 5 minutes away actually. And we're gonna get back into it. Came out good. Stickerless dash. Let's go.
Oh shit, yeah. You did take the stickers off.
So game plan is reinstall that, clean up on the inside of the car. So that's all done. And then, yes. Okay, so right now, I'm taking everything that fell out of my glove box. I'm putting it in a big-ass box so it's not in the way if any screws or bolts fall, you know? Yeah, and then we're gonna put the dash back in.
Yes, I'm from Kentucky, I got bluegrass in my blunt. She went back to Lex and told me hit her when I come. Know her body.
Dash is back in somewhat. So I got these two bolts in, these two in for this little piece. I'm not putting in my radio yet or my HVAC because Tyler's dad is gonna fix my wiring. Because I don't know shit about wiring. Last time I tried to do wiring myself, I tried to do my heart tail lights and I blew a fuse, so never again. Refuse to touch wires, not my forte. But yeah, I'm gonna screw in the other side and...
I would screw in the wrong way.
No, you're going the right way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You learned that in kindergarten.
And it's not fucking tightening.
It is not. That's like my garage. It's not tight.
Oh, she got it to tighty.
Nothing to tight.
Is this still tighty?
Oh, it's so crisp.
Okay.
It's tightening.
As long as it doesn't shake, you're good because you don't want it to vibrate to where it's rattles, and that's fucking annoying.
Well, I don't think that's gonna shake. That's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, you put all 4 in the center and the 3 on the outside. Yeah, I'm the fucking pope.
What are you doing? Oh, she's putting bolts in.
Hold on, I gotta make it go righty-tighty.
Yeah, is it tighty? Putting in another bolt. I think I'm doing this YouTube thing right. I have no idea.
What?
Talking to your camera.
I'm putting in another bolt.
I said that.
How do you know what we're putting in it anymore?
It's alright though. We're going.
No lift shift.
Yeah, the walk box?
Yeah, so he would just line up the throttle.
Ignition cuts.
So we're back at it. HVAC is all wired up. About to install my gauge cluster back in. And then get everything else back in.
But she fun. She play hard to get, but I ain't chasing after none. While I'm chasing after one. To that bag, through that dash. Not my only fan, but she love to show that ass. No, she got a man. And
So my angle kind of sucked and you totally missed me installing the gauge cluster and the bezels. I just got to screw in the bezels and then, yeah, driver's side's done.
I don't know that engine, I just bought it cause it's fast. High like my suspension, I got Ashel on my dash. They been snoozing, I've been cruising, ain't no losing off these runs. VVS is bruising, diamonds hit just like a bun. Beggars can't be choosing, so she give me what I want. She be talking crazy, want my baby, I'm like, what? Remember she was frontin', now she busted when I want. In my zone like 2-3, but I ball like 1-on-1. She say that she love me, she fucking up my...
Okay, center console's in. Now I just gotta screw everything in and clean everything up. And also put in the glove box, obviously. Okay, so everything's screwed in. Glove box is in. Alright, took everything out. Gonna vacuum, wipe everything down, and yeah, that would be today's video. Well, technically 3 days video, but you know.
Yes, I'm from Kentucky, I got bluegrass in my blunt. I got bluegrass in my blunt. From Kentucky, I got bluegrass in my yeah. I got bluegrass in my roll up another one.
So the car is all clean. I went ahead and installed my pedal set off camera. Gives it a nice cleaner look. I'm keeping my floor mats out for the time being because everyone's just going to be in and out of the car. It's just going to get messier, so I'm just going to throw them in my trunk. But I do have to vacuum those. And then, yeah. Okay, that's it for today. Be back next time, start in the bay. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back next time.
Roll up another one.